I'm really looking forward to incorporating it for myself and also including it in workshops that I have.
I want all these concepts to marinate, implement them in my life, because I think that'll then help me pass that on to other people. If you are an example to people, then they'll be more likely to believe you, to follow you, and to understand that what you're saying actually works.
All the way through the workbook, there are little brilliant nuggets of like exercises and practices you can do that will help to stimulate the different parts of the brain. I've already been using those.
I'm definitely going to start meditating.
If you understand how we work, and if we work on ourselves, we can make this world a much better place.
Become a brain-friendly trainer. Whether you attend my next public program or want me to do an in-house training, get in touch with me. Let's get you started.